Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. Okay, we talked a little bit about this last night. Had a little tornado quiz up on my social media pages. If you went up there, you could have voted or picked what you thought the answer might have been. Here was the question. Which state averages the most tornadoes each year? And your options were Kansas, Texas, Alabama, or Oklahoma. And the poll just ended, so this is how it turned out. On my Facebook page, you can see Oklahoma hands down. #1 pick, followed by Texas, Kansas, and Alabama. And over on the Twitter page, again, Oklahoma blowing away everybody else. Kansas, then Texas, and Alabama. So on both pages, Facebook and Twitter, everybody was strongly favoring Oklahoma, the state that averages the most tornadoes every year. The answer is actually Texas. Texas averages over 100 every year. And I've got another quiz I'm putting on. I've actually already got it on Twitter. I'll get it on Facebook shortly. But Texas averages over 100 tornadoes every year. So Oklahoma seemed to be the favorite, but it's Texas that usually averages the most. 24-hour temperature change across the area. The temperatures are actually a little bit warmer than they were this time yesterday, and they're going to be even warmer as we head for the upcoming weekend. We hit 70 for the high. 50 has been the low. So those are the highs and lows for the day here in the valley. No precipitation. We're going to wrap up the month 2 inches shy. 4.8 is where we should be. 2.86 is where we end up. So 2 inches drier than normal during the month of April. Sunrise, sunset tomorrow. We're getting closer and closer to 14 hours of daylight. And there's the river stage in Terre Haute, 6.8 feet, and it is on the way up. Right now, this is what it looks like at the airport in Terre Haute, 66. The winds are north at 10 miles per hour, but the humidity's low, 40%. Dry air in place. You're going to be looking at a clear night tonight. Temperatures pretty much in the 60s, although we do have some lower 70s down there in some of our southern and southwestern counties. On the water vapor satellite, this is the dry air that's in place. That's why we have all of the clear skies, because we have very low moisture in the atmosphere. Moisture is being shoved down to the south, a little bit of it off to the northwest of here, but here at home, nothing going on. Satellite and radar, all clear. Going to be a clean night out there tonight. Nothing showing up on the Dorset automotive Doppler radar, and it's going to stay that way till probably the end of the weekend. So here's the timing. Nothing tonight. And tomorrow looks good. A lot of sunshine. The winds will pick up from the south tomorrow, but it will warm things up. Then as we get into the day Sunday, you'll start to notice more cloud cover, but we stay dry. Looks like we'll get through the day Sunday also with the dry weather. This will go all the way out to the evening, and we don't show any rain anywhere near here, so we should be fine during the actual weekend. Then the wind, watch what happens with it. North today changes to the south, so tomorrow afternoon we'll be looking at south winds, which will pick up. It'll be breezy again on Sunday, but those south winds will allow much warmer air to move back in. So the timing on the rain now, this is 7p Sunday, probably not quite here yet, so we should get through the weekend. But then by Sunday night into the day Monday, rain chances, that'll stay with us Tuesday, part of Wednesday. Then we'll catch a break, and then there's another weaker system that comes in late next week, and then after that we'll find some cooler air pushing down into the area, so a little change in the pattern. So here's the warm-up for the weekend and into Monday. Then we see the pattern change back to some cooler weather as we head into the middle and the end of next week, and it looks like that trend's going to stay with us. This is May 6 to 10, so basically the second week of the month, we are looking at cooler than normal weather here in this part of the country. Forecast tonight, clear and cool, drops down to 44 tomorrow. Great start to the weekend. It will be windy, but mostly sunny, a high of 77. Temperatures will stay up near 80 with a lot of clouds on Sunday. Rain should hold off till late in the day. Rain to start the week, and then cooler temperatures in the 60s most every day next week. Right?
Thanks, Jesse. Good evening, folks. Straight Ahead in Sports. We'll